100% polyester. Imported. Great product. Paw Patrol Toddler Bedding Fitted Sheet and Pillowcase Set. You can always use an extra for laundry day and for that second pillow. Coordinates to the Paw Patrol Toddler Bedding Set, featuring Chase, Marshall, Skye and Rubble, here to help. Fitted sheet is 28x52 and fits a standard crib toddler mattress. The pillowcase is 20x28 and has a different print on either side. Machine washable 100% polyester. Top reviews from the United States. Grandson went nuts. He is a huge fan. The sheet fitted the crib mattress perfectly. When he walked in, he immediately wanted to get into his crib. Usually he struggles a bit to get in. He says PUPS. It was worth every penny to see the smile on his face. No doubt I would buy this product again.